As the hashtag Free Britney movement was gaining steam in 2019, one fan took aim at Britney Spears' then business manager, Lou Taylor, creating a parody website under her name. Jokingly subtitled, "Your Number One Source for the Gay Demon Exorcist," www.lumtaylor.com featured various articles that were republished from other sites, including a story about Spears allegedly calling Taylor a stalker. Taylor apparently wasn't amused, and she filed a lawsuit against Brian Kuchar, alleging the 32-year-old medical assistant was trying to exploit Taylor's fame and goodwill and damage her reputation. And though Spears wasn't a party in the lawsuit or even criticized by the fan site, she paid. Her dad, Jamie Spears, authorized $153,759 from her estate to the two Atlanta-based law firms that represented Taylor, as well as an unspecified amount to another firm that handled a cease and desist letter on Taylor's behalf, according to court documents.
The site was taken down, and Taylor and Kuchar ultimately reached a confidential settlement in March 2020. But what remains in question is whether Spears should have footed the bills for Taylor. Based on the pop star's own recent statements, she's thankful for the fans who've attacked the conservatorship, and she's been critical of her management. "My dad and anyone involved in this conservatorship and my management, who played a huge role in punishing me when I said, 'No, they should be in jail,'" Spears told a judge earlier this year. The ongoing dispute over whether Spears' money should have covered Taylor's legal bills is just a preview of the accounting issues that will likely come up as Spears' legal team tries to claw back funds they believe were used for illegitimate purposes or wasted on legal services that provided no benefit to her. In his investigation, Spears' attorney Matthew Rosengart has brought on lawyers who focus on fiduciary and estate litigation, as well as an expert in fraud and money laundering who previously worked on special counsel Robert Mueller's probe of Russian interference in the 2016 US election. If they uncover evidence that Jamie Spears misappropriated his daughter's money or engaged in any other misconduct, Rosengart has said Britney Spears will sue. "I said at the outset that my firm and I were going to take a top-to-bottom look at what Jamie Spears and his representatives have done here," Rosengart told a crowd of Free Britney supporters in downtown Los Angeles on September 29 after a judge suspended the singer's father from the conservatorship. "That's already in process and it will continue for as long as, to get justice for Britney."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.